Today, I am going to share with you the top 5 things about Fremont Street Experience.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. We're on Fremont Street today. We're going to take you along.
Come on, let's go.
Welcome to Fremont Street Experience, the vibrant heart of historic downtown Las Vegas. This is a lively 5-block district offering a unique charm, different from the glitz and glamour of the Las Vegas Strip. We're heading east from Plaza Casino. As you cross the street, you will be greeted by the Golden Gate Hotel and Casino. It was first called Hotel Nevada, and it opened up in 1906.
I'm getting hungry. Where do you want to eat?
Let's go find you some food. What do you feel like? Pizza, hamburgers, steak, so many options here.
You will be greeted by the canopy of lights, suspended 90 feet above. The 1,500 feet long Viva Vision canopy is the world's largest LED screen. It displays spectacular animation all day and special nightly shows.
Maybe Asian food?
Asian? No, a really good Thai restaurant down the street.
Oh,
Want to
okay.
try that out?
Yeah.
All right, let's go there.
City's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party.
And if you are seeking some thrilling excitement, they have a zip line soaring above the crowds on the Slotzilla zip line for an exhilarating and very unique experience.
But everything's just fake. Now you're becoming the person you once hated. You also used to say that. I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Life of the party. Life of the party. Life of the party.
They don't look like they're open. They're not open.
A little disappointed, but they're closed today. They're closed for 4th of July. Disappointed for us, happy for them. So we're gonna try something else. Burgers?
Sure.
Or do you wanna do hot dogs?
You know where burger joint is?
I think I just saw one.
That's a
Sorry,
chicken
not
sandwich.
sorry, ice cream.
Okay, found a place.
Flipping good. So this is my sandwich. This is called the Dirty Bird. So this has the chicken breast, egg, bacon, and cheese. And just to make myself feel a little better, I did get me a salad. What did you get, baby?
Okay, and I got a bacon burger.
A double.
A double bacon burger. Lettuce,
That's
tomatoes,
cute.
onions, pickles, and bacon. And cheese.
This is the half of mine. Cheers.
Not bad. Ready?
How's everything tasting?
I like it. Burger's juicy.
Very juicy.
We're going to try our luck today at El Cortez. Let's go play some slots.
The El Cortez was opened in 1941.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd.
Nice job. That's the end of it for us.
That's all she wrote.
We're heading home. Gonna take a nap and go back out and see fireworks tonight.
Fireworks.
How did you like playing roulette?
It was fun.
He was winning. Walked away with some money. Happy 4th, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe because we are trying to grow this channel and we're trying to entertain you guys and show you around Vegas. I hope you guys have a safe and fun 4th of July. Keep cool because it's 111 degrees today. So wherever you're at, have fun, keep cool. Thanks for watching.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town.